Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Temu account. So first log into temu.com. Alright, so log in with your account. So once you're here, all you have to do is click on your account over here, and over here click on account security. Alright, so once you're in this page, all you have to do is scroll down until you see delete your Temu account. So click on this button, and here you can see the instruction for deleting your account. So just click here, I want to permanently delete my Temu account, and that. Now just click continue, and then just click on delete, and then it will ask for verification. So I'm just going to verify this. Alright, so now we have requested them to delete the account. So our account will be deleted in 7 business days. So that is how you can delete your Temu account. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.